Hey guys, this is Rahul here with yet another review video, and today we are going to be taking a look at a new 13-inch laptop sleeve and hardshell case combo. So you went out and got a new Mac, Dell XPS, HP Spectre or another 13-inch thin and light, and don't want to end up with an uneven brushed metal finish on your laptop a few days after getting it. You go online and search for some laptop sleeves and hardshell cases, but don't know what to get. Well, I got just the right option for you. GM Wiley's 2-in-1 soft touch frosted hardshell case and water repellent laptop sleeve can be purchased on Amazon for a very good price of $21 USD or 28 AUD. It comes in a very saturated range of colors and patterns. The one I chose is navy blue. The hardshell case is very sturdy and protects the laptop from any scratches and dents. It is a two-piece set that has bottom and top sections that clip into the MacBook Air really well. The base has perfectly cut out vents to allow for good airflow. Airflow is further increased by the 4 rubber feet that lift the laptop off the desk. The laptop sleeve that is also in a similar navy blue color looks impressive. The woven fabric finish on the outside looks very good and is water repellent, so it will protect the laptop from some light rain. The soft interior padding in the main compartment ensures that the laptop will always stay protected during travel and from any minor drops. The extractable handle on the top makes it easy to carry the bag to wherever you want with ease. The sleeve also has a second compartment on the front to hold accessories or other items that you may want to take with you. I use it to store Quackquack's USB Type-C hub as well as the iRecord Data M30 SSD. Unfortunately, this compartment is not padded like the laptop compartment. This was not too much of an issue for me as the Type-C hub came with its own carrying pouch to act as extra padding. Overall, I think this is a very good product that has high quality zippers and a premium feel. I would highly recommend this to everyone who gets a new laptop. GM Wiley's 13-inch soft touch hardshell case and the matching navy blue laptop sleeve is being sold as a 2-in-1 bundle on Amazon right now. So jump on there using the link below to take advantage of this awesome deal. Anyways guys, that is it for the review. I want to thank GM Wiley for sending me this product. If you would like to purchase this, I've got links down below. Don't forget to check out GM Wiley's awesome range of products over on their website www.gmyle.com. With that, be sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, tap on that notification icon and chuck in a comment or two down below. This is Rahul signing out. Peace.